Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to copy and paste an entire worksheet with formulas or whatever is currently on the sheet to another workbook if you're choosing using Microsoft Excel. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So the first thing we're going to do is, let's say this is our workbook number 1, and we're going to open up another workbook that we want to paste in this data into. So I'm going to go up and just create a file, new, and then workbook here. If you already had an existing one, that it will achieve the same result. But you can see I have two workbooks up here. Workbook 1 and book 3 is where we're going to be putting in our pasted information. So if you actually wanted to just move the entire sheet over, very simple to do that. Just going to left click on the actual sheet name once it's selected in our book 1. And again, it's going to be whatever your original Excel workbook is. And I'm just going to just left click and just drag it over till I get to the place where we're going to drop it to. And you see sheet 1 is over here on the new workbook. You see a little arrow is also pointing down. So once I release my pressure on my left mouse pointer, it should paste it in right here. And that's basically cutting and pasting it over. Now instead, if you wanted to just copy whatever the contents were on there, that's very achievable as well. So in order just to copy this entire section or whatever's on this worksheet, just go up and left click on the little diagonal facing arrow right in between A and 1. Just left click on that one time. Now you've highlighted everything in this worksheet. I'm going to right click on this arrow again. You see in the top left corner of the worksheet. Right click on it. Left click on copy. And now you want to go up to the top left corner of the new worksheet. You see it's selected everything. Right click and then left click on paste. So pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.